Good morning. Let's make some coffee. So I already put my milk in there, and now I'm gonna pour in my cream all the way to that max fill line, because with this milk frother, I am going for heating the milk. The reason being, this guy can't go in the microwave. I know. I am absolutely obsessed with this Friends mug, Central Perk, as if I have my own coffee carafe from the coffee shop, but she can't go in the microwave and she can't go in the dishwasher. So I've got to heat up the milk so that when the hot coffee comes out, everything stays hot and delicious. Yep, going all the way to the max fill line. Yes. So I'm gonna press this center button, 1, 2, 3, and you can see that it doesn't really have foam on that little cup. It's already working. She's moving. My sister bought me this milk frother and I am obsessed. She saw that I was heating up my milk and creamer in a coffee mug before I even put my coffee in, and she was like, oh, no, we can't have that. Let's get fancy. Today I'm going with a little Starbucks Pike Place Nespresso pod. Slide it into lock, and I did have to tilt the mug a little bit because it comes so far out away from the Nespresso, it was kind of going over the edge. So I'm just gonna hold it right here, no problem. It's worth it. She's ready, and here's why I wanted that 20-ounce mug. It's all gonna fit and create the happiest coffee every morning.